Advanced Warfare, and there's an invisible wall right in front of me. I'm playing the campaign. There's an invisible wall right in front of me. Am I surrounded by it? I think it's supposed to be this way, right here. I don't know. There's an invisible wall though. Oh, grenade. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. It's invisible! But yeah, I'm playing the campaign. Okay, I'm not gonna spoil it for anyone who hasn't played it. But I can't see. I'm gonna kill myself if I do that. Here, I'll try to EMP myself. See, I just EMP'd myself. I don't know what's wrong here. But there's an invisible wall right here. You can't do anything. You can just shoot at the wall all the time. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, peace.